Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of completing your profile, verifying your identity, and uploading documents with the HFM broker together. After completing the registration and verifying your email during the registration process, the following page will open for you, and you need to fill in your personal information in this form. Once you complete this form, you will click on the Continue button. We enter the trading cabin in the HFM broker. Go to the My Notifications section and click on the Account option. To complete our account, we click on Click Here. In this section, you must enter additional information about your business name, including information about your address and investment. After completing the items, click on the Continue option. And after completing the items related to your personal information, the page related to charging and depositing to your trading account in this broker will open in front of you. We return to the main page, and in this section we click on the Verify Your Account option. In this section, the page for uploading documents will open for you, where you must upload the X on your ID card in the first section and the X on the back of your ID card in the second section. We click on the Browse button and upload the image, and finally we select the Upload option. The acceptable identification documents for this broker are a passport, work ID, and driver's license. After uploading the documents, you click on this option. In the next section, you need to verify your residential address. In the next section, you must upload your electricity bill, such as your gas bill, mobile phone bill, and bank statement, for example, to verify your residential address. In the next section, to verify your residential address, you need to upload one of the documents below, which includes an electricity bill, gas bill, phone bill, or bank statement. Upload your documents here and click on the Upload button. Your documents have been successfully uploaded to the HFM broker and are currently under review by the broker. After uploading the documents, when you enter the trading cabin at HF Market Broker from the Account section, as you can see, your account at HF Market Broker has been successfully created, and your documents have been accepted by the broker. In future videos, we will show you step-by-step how to deposit and withdraw money from HF Market's broker. Wishing you success and profitability.